Iceland, an amazing land of fire and ice. It's like no other place on Earth. Now, you and your friends have a once-in-a-lifetime chance to explore this enchanted land for yourself.
The most interesting thing about Iceland would be everywhere you go, you find something different and new.
On this incredible journey with your friends, you'll see firsthand natural wonders found nowhere else in the world.
I knew that there'd be really big mountains and all that, but it's actually a lot more crazy to see it up in person, because then you can see all the detail in the land, and it's really cool.
You'll walk in the footsteps of the Vikings. Visit where the leaders of the country assembled over 1,000 years ago. And you'll learn about what makes Iceland one of the most progressive countries in the world today. The experiences and adventures are non-stop.
Instead of seeing a picture of a volcano, you get to see a volcano and touch the rocks and the water. I guess it's more memorable and it's more exciting and definitely worth it.
Take a dip in the soothing waters of the Blue Lagoon.
Hello, welcome to Iceland.
Stroll the black sand beaches. Explore the hidden caves. And hear the folklore stories of the basalt rock formations. Witness the power of water in its many forms.
You don't just hear about the geothermal energy. It's not all about theory. It's actually like seeing how it's applied into the real world.
The glacier, I didn't expect to go actually on it. I thought we were just gonna walk up to it, touch it, and be like, touch the glacier. And we actually went on top of it and we're climbing it, like mountain man.
From exploring the streets of Reykjavik, the northernmost capital in the world, to learning how Iceland harnesses and cultivates its own resources, or meeting the only breed of horse in the country, the Icelandic horse, brought there by the Vikings over 1,000 years ago. You'll experience things you could only have imagined before. Your trip will be led by your very own course leader, an Icelandic native, who will share fun facts and answer all your questions along the way. Whether seeing amazing sights or enjoying the good life of Icelandic culture, you'll be sharing this experience with your friends.
The difference in learning about Iceland and being there, instead of looking at a picture, you're in the picture and you get to experience it firsthand.
When you and your friends join us in Iceland, you'll discover science, nature, and history, all come alive on a travel adventure you will never forget.
Take your world time!